Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to add PayPal credit and debit card buttons in Shopify. Adding PayPal Smart Buttons gives your customers more ways to pay at checkout. Depending on your PayPal account and country, customers may see options such as PayPal Pay Later, PayPal Credit, or debit and credit card buttons. Before you begin, make sure your Shopify store is connected to an active PayPal business account. Now let's get started. First, sign into your Shopify admin. Now go to Settings, then click Payments. Here, make sure PayPal is activated and connected to your PayPal business account. Next, sign into your PayPal developer or PayPal business account if you're using Smart Button integration. Now generate or copy the PayPal Smart Button code if required. Then return to your Shopify admin. Go to Online Store. Now click Themes. Then select your current theme and click Edit Code. Here, locate the appropriate theme file. If you want to display the PayPal Smart Buttons on the cart page, open the cart template, liquid file, or the corresponding cart template used by your theme. After that, paste the PayPal Smart Button code in the correct location where you want the buttons to appear. If you want to display the Smart Buttons on the product page instead, open the product template file and place the code in the appropriate section. Now click Save. Then return to your online store. Open a product page or your cart page to check whether the PayPal Smart Buttons are displaying correctly. Next, perform a test checkout to make sure the PayPal, Pay Later, credit, or debit card options are working properly. If the buttons don't appear, clear your browser cache, refresh the page, and verify that your PayPal business account is fully configured and eligible for Smart Buttons in your country. Also remember that the exact payment options shown to customers depend on their location, device, and PayPal account eligibility. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.